Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. So, my little kids, as I hope you all remember what we did in our last class, we just read the story of Seymour's Wish. So, today we are just going to do the exercise of Seymour's Wish, okay? So I hope you all will listen to me very carefully. Okay, so let's just begin with it. But let's just review the story first. Now, who's gonna tell me the story of Seymour's wish? Tell me, what did Seymour wish for? Just think for the answer in your mind. And whoever knows the answer, those are my best students. And those who didn't know the answer, teacher will not talk to them. Okay? Because they do not listen to their teacher, right? That's why. So, what was Seymour's wish? Seymour's wish was that everything should taste like tomato sauce, because he loved tomato sauce. He loved tomato sauce, and every time when he just sit for his breakfast, for his lunch, for his dinner, he just wanted everything with tomato sauce, and he just keep on pouring tomato sauce in his plate, like too much tomato sauce. He just fill his food with tomato sauce because he liked the taste of tomato sauce so much, right? Then once he was just lying on the bed, and he just saw the moon peeping through the curtain. So he was just talking to moon, and he just said that I love tomato sauce a lot, and I wish that everything tasted of tomato sauce. And Mr. Moon got so serious, and it made it happen. So after this, the next morning when he woke up, he ate everything, and everything was tasting like tomato sauce. Everything he was eating started tasting like tomato sauce, like corn flakes, toast, and orange juice. Everything was tasting like tomato sauce. But when he just took the ice cream, because he liked ice cream as well, and ice cream also tasted like tomato sauce, then he was not happy. Then he was sad, because now he was just tired of that taste of tomato sauce. So then what he did, he once again talked to Mr. Moon, and he said that, Mr. Moon, can you help me? Everything I am eating, it is tasting like tomato sauce. And Mr. Moon said him that, yes, but you wished for this one, right? Then why are you now tired of it? So Seymour just said that, I know I wished for it, but now I've just got bored of it, right? It's boring for me now. So Mr. Moon said that, okay. And he just made him realize that you should not wish anything without thinking about the consequences of it, right? You should be careful while wishing for something, that what are you wishing for? And from the next morning, everything was tasting in their own way. Cornflakes tasted like cornflakes, pudding tasted like pudding, and he was thanking to Mr. Moon, and like he was happy now, okay? And when he just sat for his dinner, and he was about to have tomato sauce with his one of the dish fish fingers, he didn't pour on it, okay? He just took a little of it, and now he was understanding it that we should not take it in that much quantity. So this was the story of Seymour's wish. Now, first what we'll do, we'll just make the title page of it in our copy, Seymour's wish, like this. Okay, you can make it colorful as well. And then the first exercise is words and meanings. So it means we are just going to write so many words and the meanings of them. Number one word is raisins. Number one word is raisins. Raisins means dried grapes. Raisins means dried grapes. Okay? So now, number two, we have wish. The word wish means desire. Wish means desire. Okay? Now, let's just have number three. Number three word is sure. Sure means of course. Sure means of course. Then we have number four. Number four, we have reached. Reached. Reached means arrived. Reached means arrived. Then we have number five. Number five word is upset. Upset. Upset means disturb. Upset means disturb. Then number six we have begin. Begin. The word begin means to start. Begin means to start. Then number seven we have smack. Smack. Smack means to lick with tongue. To lick with tongue. Then we have number eight. Number eight word is winked. The word winked means shut one eye shortly. Shut one eye shortly. Then number nine, we have appear. Number nine, we have appear. Appear means visible. Appear means visible. Okay? Now I'll just repeat it. Raisins means dried grapes. Wish means desire. Sure means of course. Reached means arrived. Upset means disturb. Begin means to start. Smack means to lick with tongue. Winked means shut one eye shortly. Appear means visible. Now let's just move on to the next one. That is spread. Spread means to extend. Spread means to extend. Okay, so here we are done with our word meanings. Now number two we have fill in the blanks. Now our number one fill in the blank is I love tomato sauce, said Seymour, dash his lips and pouring more sauce on his plate. So what should come in this place? I love tomato sauce, said Seymour, smacking his lips and pouring more sauce on his plate. Number two we have, one night, Seymour saw the dash peeping through the curtain. Yes, who was peeping through the curtain? Tell me. Very good. I know that you all know it. One night, Seymour saw the moon peeping through the curtain. Okay? Then comes number three. Number three is the next morning, Seymour came dash for his breakfast. The next morning, Seymour came running downstairs for his breakfast. Okay? Then comes number four. Everything he ate tasted of dash. Everything he ate tasted of tomato sauce. Then comes number five. Seymour was dash of tomato sauce. When everything just started tasting like tomato sauce, what he got was tired of tomato sauce. He was tired of tomato sauce. Number 6, a dash of sauce didn't last very long in his house. A bottle of sauce didn't last very long in his house. Now moving on to our question answers. So here we are. Question number 1 is, what did Seymour love? Yes, what did Seymour love? Every one of you should answer it. Seymour loved tomato sauce. Seymour loved tomato sauce. Question number 2. What did Seymour do at tea time? What did Seymour do at tea time? Do you remember? Seymour took the bottle of tomato sauce and poured it over his food. What he did at tea time? Took the bottle of tomato sauce and poured it over his food. Now, question number 3. What did Seymour see one night? What did he see from the window? Who was there? One night, Seymour saw the moon peeping through the window. One night, Seymour saw the moon peeping through the window. Okay, I hope you all are getting it. And you'll do your work in the same way, in a very neat, super neat writing. Now, question number 4. What happened to Seymour when all the things tasted of same flavor? Who'll answer this question? What happened to Seymour when all the things were tasting like tomato sauce? Seymour was fed up with the tomato sauce as everything tasted the same flavor. Okay, Seymour was fed up. Fed up means tired. Seymour was tired with the tomato sauce as everything tasted the same flavor. Now then comes question number 5. Name the things which started to taste like tomato sauce. Okay, so what were the things that were tasting like tomato sauce? Do you remember that names? That things? Things that started tasting like tomato sauce were corn flakes, orange juice, toasted cheese, apple, and ice cream. Okay, things that started tasting like tomato sauce were corn flakes, orange juice, toasted cheese, apple, and ice cream. Okay, so this is it. So there are just 5 questions, okay? Repeat these questions to yourself and try to answer it, okay? Just ask these questions to yourself without looking into the answers. Okay, we have one more, sorry. What have you learned from the story of Seymour? Yes, what have you learned from the story of Seymour? I told you. Which lesson did you get from it? We have learned that excess of anything is bad. We have learned that excess of everything is bad. Okay. Now let's just move on to next one, that is RTC. RTC stands for reference to context. Now let's just see what is our RTC. Oh, Mr. Moon, can't you help? Everything I eat tastes of tomato sauce. Oh, read it again with me like this, in the same way. Oh, Mr. Moon, can't you help? Everything I eat tastes of tomato sauce. Now, here's question number one. Question number one is name the lesson. So, what's the name of the lesson? Who is going to tell me? The name of the lesson is Seymour's Wish. The name of the lesson is Seymour's Wish. Now, number two is name the speaker. So, who's the speaker? Speaker means who's speaking this line? Who's speaking this sentence? He was Seymour. He was Seymour. Now, then comes number three. Name the listener. Now, listener means who was listening to him. Who was listening to Seymour? Who was listening to Seymour? Who is going to tell me? Mr. Moon. Mr. Moon was the listener because he was listening to Seymour, and Seymour was the speaker because Seymour was speaking to Moon. Okay, this line was said by Seymour, so he's the speaker. So I hope you all got it now, and you'll just review it again for your better understanding, and you'll do the work in very neat writing like this, right? Now we'll meet in the next class again. Thank you so much for listening to your teacher. Okay? We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care a lot.